friends, welcome to my channel, The Raspberry Rabbits. I'm sharing with you today some of my favorite embroidery stitches that I love to use. So today I want to show you how to do a satin stitch. That's what I used right here and right here. And it's also what I used to fill in the pots on these topiaries right here. So come on over to my hoop and I'll show you how to make a satin stitch. All right, so I am using one strand of Valadani size 12 pearl cotton with a size 7 embroidery needle. And a satin stitch is really easy to use and it's kind of elegant looking. So I'm going to show you how to do it on this little part right here. It's really easy. My kits all come pre-printed on linen, so it's as easy as stitching on the line. So you're going to come up from the back on the line, and you're going to go across to the other side on the line. And it's just one long stitch. And then again, you'll come up from this side right here on the line. I'm a little bit past it because you want to cover the line up. You don't want it showing, so I'm just a little bit past it. And I'll go over here just a little bit past that line so that it's covered up underneath my stitches. Okay. Do this again. Here we go. Come across over like that. And let's go one more because that'll be just about filled in, I think. Coming across there. All right, so that's a satin stitch. That's horizontal. And let me just go ahead and show you. Then I would start this one. If it's got an angle like this, I start in the middle and come up to the point. And then you'll just come back down right here. And I fill one side at a time. I like to start in the middle and go left or right or left instead of starting low and then going across. It keeps your stitches more uniform instead of getting wobbly. If you start from one side and work to another, they'll tend to go in one direction if you're left-handed or right-handed. By starting in the center, it'll keep them even and nice and straight, as you can see over here. That's how it looks. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. That's an easy satin stitch to fill them in. Visit me sometime, theraspberryrabbits.com. Thanks.